Hello everyone, good morning to all. We are in algebra and today we are going to discuss about review of brackets, then we'll solve exercise 8.7. So first of all, brackets, review of brackets. So we have three rules for bracket. First is when negative sign comes before brackets, we change the sign of each. So when negative sign, say for example we have two variables a and b, and before a and b, before bracket, we have a negative sign. So when negative sign comes before bracket, we change the sign of each term within the brackets and remove the brackets. So minus a plus b is to be replaced by minus a minus b. So we'll remove this bracket and we'll change the sign minus a minus b. Then second rule, when positive sign occurs before bracket, we just remove the brackets. So positive sign before bracket means a and b. So the sign of a is plus, so we don't have to change the sign, so we just remove the bracket and we don't have to change the sign of each term within the bracket. So next is third, when a term comes before the bracket, we multiply each of the term. So when a term means, say for example 2, a plus b, so write 2a, 2 multiplied by a plus 2b. So when a term comes between the bracket, we multiply each of the term within the bracket by that term and remove the brackets. So we'll remove this bracket and we'll multiply this term from first term and then from second term. And the order in which the brackets are simplified is the same as in arithmetic. Now exercise 8.7. Exercise 8.7. So simplify by removing the brackets. First question, simplify by removing the brackets. First question, 5x minus 7 x minus 3. This is the statement, or this is the given problem statement which we have to simplify by removing the bracket. So now in the solution, in the answer, 5x as it is minus 7. So minus 7 into x minus 7x and minus 7 into minus 3. So minus, we have to change this sign and we have to multiply also. So 7 into 3, 21, minus minus plus 21. In the next step, 5 and 7. So minus 2x plus 21 is the answer. Then second, 5x x plus x minus 3. 5x minus 7 inside the bracket x plus x minus 3. So in the next step, 5x minus 7 x plus x 2x minus 3. Again in the next step, 5x. Now minus 7 multiplied by 2x, sign is positive, so plus minus minus, 7 into 2, 14x, and minus 7 into minus 3, minus minus plus 7 into 3, 21. So 5x minus 4x, two like terms, 5 minus 14 minus 9x plus 21. This is the answer. Next, question number 3. The statement is 7 minus x in bracket 7 plus x. So in the next step, 7 minus x and 7, so minus 7x and minus x plus x after multiplication minus x square. This is the answer. Then we have fourth question, fourth statement 4y minus in bracket 2y minus x plus y. So in this question, first of all, we'll solve terms inside the bracket minus 2y. So first of all, we'll solve for this bracket. Negative sign before bracket means we have to change the sign. So minus x minus y. Again 4y minus, now we'll solve this bracket. 2y minus y will be y, y minus x. Again minus before bracket means we have to change the sign, so minus y, and minus minus plus x. In the last step, 4y minus y is 3y plus x. So this is the final answer. Next, fifth, and the statement is x plus y minus 3 x minus y. Okay, so we'll write x plus y minus 3 into x with sign. So 3 into x, 3x, minus 3 minus y, so minus minus plus 3y. And in the next step, x y y, so x minus 3x plus y plus 3y, so minus 2x plus 4y is the answer. Similarly, next question number 6, the statement is 3pq minus in bracket pq minus p plus q inside small bracket. So 3pq as it is minus pq. Now we'll solve this bracket first. Minus sign before bracket means minus p minus q. Again we have pq, p and q. So this is the last form or last simplified term. Then inside the bracket plus, minus and minus, and before bracket a negative sign, so minus pq minus minus plus p and minus minus plus q. It means 3pq minus pq, 2pq plus p plus q is the final answer. Next, question number 7, and the statement of 7 is 8 minus curly bracket x minus 3 in the bracket x minus 5 plus 7 curly bracket closed. So first of all, 8 as it is, and inside the curly bracket x minus 3, x and 5. So 3 into x is 3x, and minus 3 minus 5, minus minus plus 15 plus 7 curly bracket closed. Again 8 as it is. Now inside the curly bracket x minus 3x minus 2x and 15 plus 7. 15 plus 7 is 22. Then 8 minus, so we'll solve this bracket, minus minus plus 2x and minus plus minus 22. So plus 8 minus 22 will be 22 minus 8, so 2x with positive sign, and 22 minus 8 is 14, so minus 14. This is the answer. Then 8th question, 3x minus in the bracket 5x plus x minus 7 and a bracket closed. Okay, it's a curly bracket, so should be curly bracket. Okay, so in the first step we'll write 3x as it is minus in the bracket 5x x minus 7, because before bracket we have a positive sign. Again 5x and x, so 5x plus x will be 6x, so 3x minus 6x minus 7. Again we'll open this bracket, so minus 6x and minus minus plus 7. In the last step, 3x minus 6x minus 3x plus 7 is the final answer. Next, question number 9. Statement is 7 minus 8 in the bracket 5 minus 3 plus 9x. So again in this problem, 7 minus 8 as it is, then we have 5 and before bracket negative signs, so minus 3 minus 9x. The next step, 7 minus 8, 5 minus 3, so 5 minus 3 is 2 minus 9x. Now 7 minus 8 into 2, 16, and minus 8 into minus 9, so minus of 8 and minus of 9, minus plus, 8 into 9 is 72x. So the final answer is 72x and minus 16 plus 7. So 16 minus 7 minus 9. 72x minus 9 or minus 9 plus 72x. Next, question number 10. The 10th statement is in bracket 8 minus 5, again small bracket, 3 minus x, bracket closed, plus x. Okay, so for this statement we'll solve this bracket first. 8 minus 5 into 3, 15, and minus 5 minus x, minus 5x plus x. Now 8 minus 5, 8 minus 5, so plus 8 minus 5 will be minus 7, 15 minus 8, 7, and sign, negative sign, minus 5x plus x. In the next step, minus 7 minus 5x plus x. So the answer is minus 7 minus 5x plus x, 4x. So 4x with positive sign, 7 with negative sign. Then 11th statement, 8a, minus 5 minus in bracket 3a plus, again a bracket, 2a minus 5, bracket closed and bracket closed. Okay, so 8a minus 5. Okay, so 5 and after 5 we have a negative sign, right? So we'll solve this bracket first. So by removing this bracket, 2a minus 5 with same sign, again 8a minus 5, okay, minus 3a plus 2a, so 3 plus 2, 5a minus 5, 8a minus 5, and if you remove this bracket, minus 5a, and minus plus 5. And in the last step, 8a minus 5a, 3a with positive sign, and minus 5 plus 5 is 0. So 3a is the answer. Next, question number 12, and the given statement is x minus 2y minus 3x minus 2y minus 3z and all brackets closed, and it's a curly bracket. Okay, so in the first step, x minus 2y as it is minus curly bracket 3x as it is minus. So this is the small bracket or a smallest bracket from which we have to start. So minus 2y, minus sign, negative sign before bracket means the sign of 2y will be now negative, minus plus 3z, curly bracket, square bracket, again x minus, so 2y minus, inside the bracket we have 3x, 2y and 3z. Okay, so further we don't have to solve, we'll remove this bracket also. So minus 3x, minus plus 2y, and minus plus minus 3z. Okay, now we have two terms of two like terms or two terms of y. So in the next step we can write x minus 2y plus 2y, 4y, 4y minus 3x minus 3z, and in the next step again we have to remove this bracket, so minus 4y and minus minus plus 3x minus minus plus 3z, so x plus 3x total is 4x minus 4y as it is and plus 3z. This is the final answer. Next, 13th. So 13th statement is a cube minus ab in bracket and ab minus b square. Okay, it's a simple problem because a cube, okay, we'll remove both brackets at a time. A cube minus ab, and if you remove this bracket ab with negative sign and minus minus plus, only one set of like terms or one pair of like terms, so a cube minus ab minus 2ab plus b square is the final answer. Next, question number 14th. So for 14th question, the statement is very long. Yes, this one is comparatively lengthy, and it will minus 5y minus 2x minus 4y with this bracket. Okay, so this is the problem statement. Now in this question, first of all we will focus on this bracket. It's a type of bracket, so we'll solve this bracket first. So 2x as it is minus 4x minus curly bracket 5x minus again in bracket 5y. Now minus, and just assume that it's a bracket, so this is the limit of bracket, so minus into 2x minus 2x, minus into 2x minus 2x, and minus into minus plus 4y, bracket closed. Again in the next line 2x minus 4x, now in curly bracket 5x, 5y, 4y, so 5y plus 4y 9y minus 2x. Okay, in the next line 2x as it is minus 4x as it is minus in curly bracket 5x as it is, negative sign before bracket means minus 9y minus minus plus 2x. Okay, so this is the last form. Now in the next line 2x minus in bracket 4x and minus, so 5x and 2x, 5 plus 2 7x, so minus in curly bracket 7x minus 9y. Again in the next step we'll write 2x as it is minus 4x and minus sign before bracket, so minus 7x minus minus plus 9y. Again 2x minus 4x and 7x, so 4 minus 7 minus 3x plus 9y. Again 2x minus before bracket, so minus minus plus 3x and plus minus minus 9y. In the last step 2 plus 3 5x minus 9y. This is the final answer. Next, question number 15. Simplify this and find the value when a is equals to minus 2 and b is equals to minus 3. Now in this statement we have many brackets, but this is the first bracket from where we have to start, and these are the limits. So we'll start from first bracket, then we'll solve second small bracket, then curly, then big bracket, and then after solving we'll put the values. So let's solve this statement. A as it is minus 3b plus curly bracket 5a plus 2b minus in bracket 3a. Now this is the bracket, so negative sign before bracket means minus 2a and minus minus plus 4b. Again a minus 3b plus 5a plus 2b minus, now in the bracket we have 3a and 2a, so 3a minus 2a, a plus 4b, a minus 3b plus curly bracket 5a plus 2b. Again, if you remove the bracket, minus before bracket, so minus a and minus plus minus 4b. In the next step, again a minus 3b plus curly bracket 5a plus 2b, so 5a 2b minus a minus 4b, so a and a like terms, 5a minus a, so we can directly write 5 minus 1 4a, and 2b minus 4b minus 2b, like this. Next step, a minus 3b and plus sign before bracket, so we don't have to change the sign, plus 4a minus 2b. Again a minus 3b, so 3b minus 2b will be b, so 3 minus 2b and 4a as it is. And in the last step, a minus b minus 4a, because before bracket we have a negative sign, so a minus b minus 4a, or minus b 4a and a minus 3a. This is the final or last form. Now we'll put these values of a and b. So the given value of a and b, the value of a is minus 2 and b is minus 3. So minus 2 minus 3, in place of b minus 3, in place of a minus 2. So final answer is minus minus plus 3, and minus 3 into 2 6, and minus minus again plus, so plus 6, so plus 9 is the final answer. Similarly, problem number 16, again we have many brackets. We'll start with this bracket, these are limits, and then we'll solve other brackets. So minus x plus minus 5y minus 9z plus minus 3x. Now minus minus, so before bracket minus, and for the term negative sign, minus minus plus 7y and minus plus minus 11z. Next step, minus x plus, sorry, it's a square bracket, minus 5y minus curly bracket minus z plus, in the bracket 3x 7y and minus 11z. All three terms are unlike terms, so we can remove this bracket directly, and plus minus is minus, plus means we don't have to change the sign, minus 3x plus 7y minus 11z, right. Again minus x plus minus 5y. Now before bracket a negative sign, and after bracket, okay, we have z and z, so let's solve it inside the bracket. So minus 9z minus 11z minus 20z minus 3x plus 7y, right. Okay, one more curly bracket, minus x plus minus 5y minus inside the bracket. So now we can remove the bracket, minus minus plus 20z plus 20z minus minus plus 3x and plus minus minus 7y. Again minus x and plus sign, positive sign before bracket, so we don't have to change the sign, minus 5y plus 20z plus 3x minus 7y. Okay, now we can operate them, minus x plus 3x, so minus and plus 2x, minus 5y minus 7y minus 12y and plus 20z. Actually we can add one more step, minus 5y and minus 7y, 5 and 7 plus 5 12y. So okay, no problem, we can directly solve like this also. Now we will we're putting the values of x, y and z. So the value of x is 0, value of y, given value of y is -1, and for z the given value is 2. So now after putting these values, 2 into 0 minus 12 into the value of y -1 and plus 20 z means 2. So 0 minus 12 minus 1 plus 12 and 20 into 2 40. So the final answer is 40 plus 12 52. 52 is the final answer. So this is all from my side in this exercise. I'll request you to please solve each and every question of this exercise, and if you have any doubt, any problem, please write your comments in the comment box. Thank you.